Fibromyalgia and the people who suffer from it are very poorly understood. Oftentimes, these people can barely even hug someone without screaming in pain. Sometimes people even suggest that it's a mental problem. Perhaps they're crazy, perhaps they're making it up, but they're not. When you have a condition of fibromyalgia, the nerve integrity under the skin has been lost, and this is primarily due to long-term nutritional deficiencies that no longer enable the body to do the systematic and constant repair that it has to do. With nutrition response testing, we're able to systematically identify these deficiencies and the specific supplementation to restore it. If you'd like to know more about nutrition response testing, fibromyalgia, and what it might do for you, visit our website at michaelformandom.com.